In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme settings in Proton AI Lumo. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple yet incredibly useful customization feature. Imagine you're using your computer or tablet and the brightness is just too much for your eyes, especially during those late night work sessions. Switching to dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and provide a more comfortable viewing experience. Proton AI Lumo gives you the flexibility to choose the theme that best suits your needs, and I'll walk you through the process of how to do just that. First, you need to open Proton AI Lumo on your device. Once you're logged in and ready to go, navigate your eyes to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the settings icon awaiting your click. Click on the settings icon, a small but powerful gateway to greater personalization. It's located strategically to ensure easy access, encouraging you to tailor your experience to your preferences. Upon clicking settings, you'll be presented with several options. What you're looking for is the General tab. Give it a click, and this is where you'll find all the general settings available for customization, including our focus today, themes. Now, themes in Proton AI Lumo are all about change and adaptability. Perhaps at this point, you've been staring at the default light mode, and it's starting to feel a bit overwhelming. When you find the theme section within the general settings, you'll notice two primary options, light mode and dark mode. By default, you may already have the light mode activated. If at any point you feel that the bright screen is disadvantaging your eyes, you can switch to the dark mode to alleviate that discomfort. To switch the theme from light to dark mode, all you need to do is look for the light mode toggle and switch it off. Making this tweak provides a gentler color palette that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Perhaps you're someone who prefers working in a darker interface in general. This setting will be your go-to configuration. On the other hand, if you're starting from a dark mode setting and want to re-enable the lighter theme, you can easily switch dark mode off. It's as simple as flicking a switch back on to activate the brighter and more traditional theme, providing greater visibility in well-lit environments. Using these theme settings, you have the control to tailor your Proton AI Lumo experience to best suit your day-to-day needs. Whether you're switching them according to your environment or your personal preference, taking advantage of the dark and light modes can enhance your workflow significantly. And there you have it. Changing themes in Proton AI Lumo is quick, easy, and entirely in your control. Now go ahead and experiment with these settings to find out what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you in customizing your Proton AI Lumo experience.